Hi guys and welcome back. Right, so this week something a little bit different. So over my last couple of films I've been saying I'll be doing a pencil project again, which this is what it is. But originally this video was supposed to be intended to be a pencil bowl with a beechwood rim, and it was going fantastic. And now what happened is, if you can see this piece here, the resin actually delaminated away from the pencils as it was being held in the chuck, and the end result was it come flying off. Now I don't know if any of you have done pencil projects before. The glossy coating over the pencils doesn't tend to stick, or doesn't tend to adhere very well to the resin. So if you can see here, this is just an off-cut bit I took off of the blank, but if you see here, what I'm doing is I am pulling pencil out the resin. So yeah, it doesn't tend to adhere very well, and I think what happened was it just, with the stress of the chuck and it turning, it blew it off. But I didn't want it to be a complete fail. So what I'm thinking, here it is, not finished yet. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this into an iPad stand. Now what I've done already is I've taken the bottom back, so the bowl was down to around about here, and it was literally just pieces of this just all over it, just bits and bobs. So what I've done is I've shaved it back best I can with the situation that was there, but what I'm thinking of is turning this into an iPad stand. So what we'll do now, guys, is I'll start the film from where I made the blank. I'll only show you a few clips of the bowl and where I was at with the bowl before it blew off the chuck, and ended up getting damaged past the point of repair to be a bowl. So guys, there it is. I do have the iPhone in there at the moment charging. Yeah, pretty cool. From the situation I had, I like it. I would have preferred for it to be the bowl that it was intended to be, but at least we was able to make something from it. So yeah, this is it. It does allow me to have the iPad either standing up, laying down. Same with the iPhone, standing up, laying down. The charger comes through the groove at the back, up through the hole, sits in there nicely. Let's see if we can just show you. Yeah, so that's up through there, and it sits in the back nicely and flush. So yeah, pretty happy. I'll put some stills up at the end of it anyway. Cheers for watching, guys. A massive thank you to my subscribers that have come over to my channel sort of in the last week, and also a massive thank you to my subscribers who are already here. Really does mean a lot to me, guys, so thank you very, very much. If you like the video, please hit that like button, that bell button, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next week.